Make your camping trip great thanks to these tips. One of the most popular recreational activities in the world is camping. There is nothing quite like heading out into the great outdoors to really feel connected to nature. If you are thinking about going camping, use the following advice to make your next camping trip more fun and enjoyable. If you are planning any kind of backcountry camping, a must-carry item is a fire starter kit. If you are in a survival situation, fire is a way to cook, keep you warm, purify water, and signal for help. Many camping stores sell fire starters that can be used when wet and do not require any fuel. Also, try making fire when you are not in a survival situation so you know you can do it if the need arises. When going camping, make sure that you bring the right sleeping bag with you. Some sleeping bags will not keep you warm when the temperature dips below 40 degrees, while others will have you sweating all night long because they are too hot. The label on the bag usually will tell you what kinds of temperatures are appropriate for each sleeping bag. When you decide to go camping, you want to make sure that you bring a flashlight with some batteries. You want to be able to see in the middle of the night just in case you have to get up and go to the bathroom, or just to move around. It is important to keep in mind the fact that your person and all of your possessions will get dirty during a camping trip. Don't stress out when it inevitably happens. Let loose and allow everyone to get messy while you enjoy the time spent in the woods. There's plenty of time for showers and being super clean once you're home again. Once you know more about camping, you can really relax and have fun when you head out into nature. As with any activity, the more you know, the more successful your camping trips will be. Just remember the useful tips you have watched here so that you can enjoy all of your camping trips. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.